Today on How To, we will be removing the battery, SIM card, and SD card from the Moto E6. Now, we just have to look for a slit in the cover because this does use a removable battery. Now here it is, you're gonna look for the little slit within right under the screen of the device, between the screen and the back cover, and you're going to go ahead and peel the back cover off. As you can see, it's lifting right off. Once you remove the back cover, there you'll see the slot where the micro SD and the SIM card go. Now it looks like with this device there's a little eject slider, that little gold prong right there. Just trying to zoom in right there. It looks like when the SD card comes in, you actually slide it in order to come out. I mean, this is pretty cool. Most devices have like a spring where you push the SIM card in and it pops out. So this could typically make your life a little bit easier to just be able to push the SIM card out. Now the battery, installing it is pretty standard. You're going to match the gold contact on the battery with the gold prongs on the phone, and go ahead and put the back cover back on once you've installed the SIM, SD card, and the battery, and power up your device.